Hey YouTube, Civics Boy here, and welcome to the very first video of Project Upgrade. This is the first item that we bought for this upgrade, and as you can see, it is the Corsair 400 watt power supply. The 400 CX, I believe, is the model. Now, the reason why we chose this particular model, we know that our computer isn't going to be a powerhouse computer, nor are we going to have a lot of power hungry components in this computer. So the 400 watt power supply by Corsair offers really stable power, stable and clean power. It has a single 12 volt rail which supplies 30 amps, which is plenty, and across the 5 volt rails it provides I believe 20 amps along the 5 volt rails. So very good. A lot of great reviews on this particular power supply. You can run pretty much any video card that requires one 6-pin PCI Express power, because that's all the PCI Express power cables that this particular power supply has. So this will be the box opening of this power supply. So here we go. We have our trusty razor blade that I like to use. Alright, so the first thing you'll see is a user's manual, and just gives you information about the power supply, warranty information, and all that stuff. So if you're inclined to, you can go ahead and read it. See, as you can see here, 5 volts, 20 amps, 12 volts, 30 amps. So pretty good power supply by Corsair, 400 W, meaning watts. And then you got your cable, or I'm sorry, your power cable to the outlet. You know what that is. And here is some zip ties, and they also give you a case badge with this power supply, a Corsair, powered by Corsair case badge. That's pretty much standard for all Corsair products, Corsair power supplies anyways. Next is the power supply unit itself. Very good packaging, wrapped in bubble wrap. And inside this bag, you'll get some screws, some mounting screws, which are black. And here's the power supply unit itself. Now, I like this because not only are the cables sleeved, they're also pretty long. I've seen pictures of it, and actually I have another one of my own. The cables are pretty long to where you can fit it in pretty much any mid-sized tower computer case, and you won't have to worry about the length of cables. So let me get this unbundled. Alright, so now I'm going to walk you through what kind of connectivity you get with this power supply. So get it all untangled here. So obviously you're going to have your 24-pin power motherboard power connector. It's actually 20 plus 4, which is the breakaway 4-pin right here, but it's 24-pin power right there. You also have, where is that at? There it is. You also have your 4 or 8-pin CPU power connector right there as well. It's a 4-pin breakaway, so total 8-pin. You have one cable that has 3 SATA connectors, SATA power connectors right here. You have another one with 3 more. That's a total of 6. You have one that has 3 4-pin Molexes and also a floppy, or fan power if you wanted to, but usually for a floppy. And you have 3 more plus another floppy, making 6 4-pin Molexes and 2 floppies. And you have your 6-pin PCI Express power cable. So that's the Corsair 400 watt power supply, the first component we got for this upgrade. Quiet and low power consumption is what we were going for. So thanks for watching this unboxing or box opening of the Corsair 400 watt CX power supply. Stay tuned for more videos. Civics Boy is out.